Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon for all the participants. For this time, we will continue our discussion about some properties of the new probability model created by the Rado Institutes, namely inverse power Rado Institute distribution. For this time, we will discuss about some example of the first and the second moment inverse power Rado Institute distribution, especially for the value of k equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Only until x, only until 6. For the k equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we have success discussed about the fixed formula for the first and the second moment of the inverse power Rado Institute distribution. For now, we will give the example how to use the fixed formula of the first and second moment, especially for the inverse power Rado Institute distribution with the k 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Based of the candidate books, the Rado Institute have the written about some concept about the first and the second moment of the inverse power Rado Institute distribution. Okay. For example, we have the fixed formula for the first moment of the inverse power Rado Institute distribution like this one. This is the fixed formula for the first moment. We only try to give the value of the k, and we are trying to understand with the function gamma I minus 1 divided alpha. Okay. The formula, the first moment only depend on with the fixed formula. Okay. So in the second moment, we have the fixed formula for the second moment like this one. This is the second moment. Okay. So after we have the fixed formula for the first and the second moment, we try to solve the cumulative distribution function for the k equal to 2. So we just only change k by 2. Okay, we change k by 2. So I starting 1 until k. So it's very easy to find the first moment of the cumulative distribution function of the inverse power Rado Institute distribution equal to k equal to 2. Okay, we find this is the first moment of the inverse power Rado Institute distribution for the k equal to 2. And then for the second moment, for this one, with the same way, we only change k by 2. So with the easy mathematics, we can find the second moment of the inverse power Rado Institute distribution like this one. Okay, you can see. Okay, theta power 2 divide alpha multiplied by gamma function 1 minus 2 divide alpha multiplied by theta plus 1 minus 2 divide alpha divide by theta plus 1. So next, we try to solve the first moment of inverse power Rado Institute distribution for the k equal to 3. Okay, for this one, we just only change k by 3 and I starting to 1. So we can find the fix of the first moment for the inverse power Rado Institute distribution, especially for the k equal to 3, like this one. Wow, this is very easy. Okay, this is for the first moment. And then this one for the second moment. with the same way, we only change K by 2, 3. Change K by 3 only. So we can find the second moment of the inverse power Rado institute distribution for the K equal to 3, like this one. Okay. With the same way, we give the, for example, we give the example for the first moment, especially for the inverse power Rado institute distribution for the K equal to 6, like this one. Okay. So we only change K by to 6. We change K by to the value of the 6. So we can find the very long the formula for the first moment of the inverse power Rado institute distribution for the K equal to 6. Like this one. Oh, this is a very, very long the equation. Very long equation. Okay. And then for the second moment, like this one. This is the formula of the second moment. Like the same way, we just only change K by to 6. So starting I with 1 until K change by 6. We can find the second moment of the inverse power Rado institute distribution like this one. So very long equation. So you can imagine that if we don't have the fixed formula for the first and the second moment, I believe that it's very difficult, very, very difficult to find the first and the second moment for the inverse power Rado institute distribution. But with the fixed formula, we only change K by the same value. If you need the inverse power Rado institute distribution, K equal to 6, yes, you can change K by 6 only. So you can run the formula, and then with the simple mathematics, you can find what is the first moment and the second moment. Okay? I think for this time, this is very, very nice discussion today. Very, very discussion for this time. We will try to talk about the other properties like the survival function and the Haggard function for the inverse power Rado Institute distribution. Okay? Rado Yendra and Rado Institute. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.